By the way, in this video there is going to be a power tip along with the normal tips which will make you pro in minutes of applying the power tip. Disclaimer, in this video there are going to be a little advanced tips, not like don't take up your gun in front of other people. Alright, let's start. Tip number 1, use sound to your advantage. This can be really helpful as it's highly recommended that you play with while wearing headphones, or if you're not wearing headphones, stay and play in a closed room so you can hear the game sound clearly. Like in this clip, I heard the kill sound coming from the hotel theater, and because the sound came from inside, I know that the next person who will walk out of the theater is the murderer, whether he equips his knife or not. This shot was scripted to show you what you can do, as my iPad was gone and I couldn't film my sheriff victories as much as I used to. Tip number 2, never go into one-way hallways. Going into a one-way hallway makes the chance of you dying and losing 80% sure. If you aren't able to juke or shoot the murderer at the right time, you're pretty much lost. You need to avoid these kinds of hallways like the workplace one. Like in my Epicest MM2 video, I logged myself in the workplace long hallway and died. The hallway in which everyone likes to 1v1 and VIPs. Avoiding these corners would benefit you a lot, as sometimes you might get stuck and die. But if you're not in a one-way hallway, you can escape easily. Also, subscribing would benefit you a lot too, as I upload only pro content and I'm sure you will like it. Not really sure, but just trying to get us up, Okay. Now, time for the power tip. Most of the time in public servers, the murderer is laggy, as whenever you become murderer on an Android device or a bad PC, you are doomed to lag, unfortunately. Use this to your advantage. If you're innocent, stay away from laggy players, and if you're sheriff, wait till there's a minute left. If no one kills and there are no AFKs, just shoot the laggy person, as in those cases it's a 98% chance a laggy person is the murderer. If he is murderer, everyone in the lobby will think you're pro, as you guess the murderer perfectly. Also, the reason why this tip will make you pro in minutes of applying it. I can confirm this theory by showing you this clip. Watch it.
Okay. Yo, that dude is lagging. He should be the murderer. Oh, prediction. Oh, shit. This is going to my God Sheriff video. No cap.
Right. Tip number 3. Avoid going into crowds. Like when you're just chilling, doing a dance party, beware, as the murderer could also be dancing with you. And because of the crowd, he can get 4 to 5 kills easily. I would recommend you to corner peek a crowd, and if the murderer kills, you can shoot them easily. And don't go into these crowds even if you're innocent, because you'll die easily. And by the way, I just started a second channel for shorts and long unedited videos, so if you want to check that out, link will be in the description and pinned comment. Its name is Bready Para, because I like bread. Tip 4. Prefer hallways over open areas. Being in an open area increases the chances of the murderer to dodge your bullets. In an open area, murderer can jump left and right easily, making it harder to predict. But if you're in a hallway, the murderer can be easily shot, as he doesn't have many options to take cover. If you're in an open area, try to lure the murderer into a hallway or a doorway. If you're reloading and the murderer is near you, try to juke him when he's throwing. If you don't know how to juke that well, go to my how to juke video and watch it. Tip number 5. Don't jiggle peek. For those who don't know what jiggle peeking is, it's when you keep going left and right in the same spot. If you're in a corner and trying to kill the murderer who's in the opposite area of the hallway by peeking, jiggle peeking would be the worst way, as firstly the murderer can easily predict your movement by throwing, and a lot of times you will miss your shots as they'll hit the wall instead. Logical peeking is good in first person shooter games, but in MM2 it is not what you should do. Peek normally, shoot, take cover again, and if the murderer rushes you, try to find another cover. Just don't stay in the same corner unless you're doing a 1v1 and he's only allowed to throw. Tip number 6. Be patient about whatever you do being sheriff. Like if there is a minute left and there are no kills, go and find AFK people rather than shooting someone random. And if there are no AFKs, shoot someone laggy as said in the power tip. If you didn't hear the power tip because you just skipped to the end to find the power tip, watch the video fully and then find wherever it is, hear it, and you'll become pro. Simple. Also, if the murderer is chasing someone innocent and you're a little away from the murderer, don't try to become a superhero and shoot right away. Instead, take your time and shoot when you find the gap, or you can let that one innocent die and then shoot. A little less victory XP for you, but it's still better than nothing. Okay, this ends today's video. I know that I didn't mention tips to improve your sheriff aim, but using these tips you can win easily even with bad aim. Not trying to talk smack about you. Yeah, I think thanks for watching, and let me know if I should make part 2 showing how to improve your aim in MM2 or just different tips that I have in my mind. Thanks.